In this question, it is given that if this integral is equal to m by n log of n square by e, where m and n are co-prime natural numbers, then m square plus n square minus 5 is equal to dash. You have to fill in the blank. We know that log of x to the base e is negative if x is less than 1, and log of x to the base e is positive if x is greater than 1. Obviously, this is more than 0. Keeping these two formulas in mind, left hand side is equal to 1 by 3 to 1 mod of log of x to the base e dx plus 1 to 3 mod of log x to the base e dx. I have divided into two parts because in the interval 1 by 3 to log x will be negative, and in the interval 1 to 3 log x will be positive. Hence we will get 1 by 3 to 1 minus log x dx plus 1 to 3 log x dx. This is equal to, as this minus can go outside, now writing it as 1 into this and using by parts, I get x log x minus x into 1 by x 1 by 3 to 1 dx, and here also 1 by 3 to 1 plus x log x 1 to 3 minus 1 to 3 x into 1 by x dx. This is equal to minus, when I will put x equal to 1, it will be 0, and therefore now I will be getting minus 1 by 3 log of 1 by 3 minus x 1 by 3 to 1 plus 3 log 3 minus x 1 to 3. This is equal to minus 1 by 3 log 3 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 3 log 3 minus 3 minus 1. This is equal to 8 by 3 log 3 minus 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 8 by 3 log 3 minus 4 by 3. Now we bring it in the form of right hand side, we'll be getting 8 by 3 log 3 minus 4 by 3 log e. Here base in both the cases is e. That is, I get 4 by 3 2 log 3 to the base e minus log of e to the base e. That is, I get 4 by 3 log of 9 upon e base e. And now comparing this with this, I can say m equal to 4, n equal to 3. Hence the value of m square plus n square minus 5 becomes 4 square plus 3 square minus 5, that is 20. Hence the answer to this question is 20.